Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I kind of want to do a little bit of a more relaxing video for you guys. And today we're going to be painting some bumblebees. So a lot of people have told me that I have a really relaxing voice, especially when I go live on TikTok. So I thought that it would be nice to do kind of an evening video, something that you can listen to before you go to bed, that could be kind of relaxing. And also if you want to learn how to paint some little bumblebees, you can. So I'm just getting my paint down here, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna add a little bit of black also. Most of it, the detail is going to be from the pen. And I just need to rinse off my pen here. I had it soaking in the pen cleaner. So let me rinse it off. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we're just gonna dip the pen in our ink. I use this ink, Black Star Waterproof India ink, and it's matte. You don't have to use this one if you don't want to, but this one's my favorite. Alright, once you dip it in, oh, you know what? I need a paper towel. I just want to go through and dry off my bumblebees here so that they're not super wet when I ink on them. Okay, now we're just going to draw a little head on the bumblebee, and then the body of the bumblebee, and we're gonna add some stripes like that, maybe some little legs, and then we can't forget the wings. A lot of people comment on my art sometimes that that's not correct. Bees don't actually look like that. Or you drew a flower with 6 petals, but they only have 5. And what I have to say to that is, I'm going to draw it how I want. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be correct. You can do whatever you want. Alright, here we go. Bumblebee number 2. Get the little head in there. And the wings. Oh, it's looking so cute. Alright, we'll give him some feet here too. Alright, oh, you know what? I forgot. Antenna. Can't forget that. Oh, okay, this bee's could be coming towards the other bees. I'm gonna go like that, give him a little head here. Some stripes, and then wing, and this wing, some legs. There we go. We got 3 little bumblebees going on in here. I think that it would be kind of cute to add a flower that the bumblebees are on. And I don't really have a preference of the kind of flower, so I'm just going to make one up, because again, my art does not have to be perfect. It does not have to be correct. Here we go. Kind of purpley pink flower. And then we'll do a yellow center, just like that. And then we need some green here. Okay, and then we're just gonna dry off the flower just like we did with the bees. Alright. And we're gonna take the ink All right, and the petals here. Okay, I'm just gonna double up on this petal, and then this one here, and this one here, this one here, and this one here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some little dots here. Makes it just look a little happier. And I like to add a little character to my pieces by putting these little squiggles in. You can do whatever you want to kind of zhuzh it up, make it yours. But this is what I like to do. I'm gonna add some on the bees too. Just some little dots there. They're so cute. Oh, so fun. Okay. And let's see, what else could we add here? It might be fun to add another flower. If we do maybe a teal flower, that could be kind of fun. We'll make this one a little higher. It's taller, but it's also smaller. There we go. And then we just want a little yellow center on this guy too. Like that. And a green stem. And we're gonna give him a leaf here. And maybe we'll do that. Add a leaf down here too for this one. Okay, we'll dry those ones off. Okay, time to go through and ink it. I think we're gonna have to add some more bees over here too. These drawings make me really happy. Just bees and flowers. I feel like you can't not be happy when you're drawing bumblebees and flowers. They're just so bright and cheerful. Okay. Get some character going in here, and then the stem like that, and the leaf, little blades of grass here. We'll add this one in over here too. There we go. Oh, so cute. Okay, I think we should add maybe another flower over here. Let me see what kinds of colors I have. A purple flower would be really pretty. Like a very purple flower. So we're gonna do that. Just get my paint ready here. Okay. I don't know what the best will go. Ooh, that's such a pretty purple. Nice little flower here. And then maybe we'll add one more flower right here. That's so cute. And then maybe to finish it off, we'll do one more teal flower over here. Like that. Okay. And then we need some yellow centers for these guys. Like that. And some stems. And we'll just dry these off here. just gonna go through and ink these ones just like we did the last ones. We're just gonna add a couple more bees and then we'll be done. Let's get back with my yellow paint here. We want a bee up here and one right there. And then we'll put maybe a little one down here. And one right there. And then I think we'll be good. I'm just gonna dry those ones off here. Okay. And get my ink going. The more I draw these bees, the easier they get. We'll give him some little dots there too. Okay, and then this one, we will have him facing this way. He's going for the blue flower. All right. There's that. He's got little wings. Okay. And the last one. There we go, got some little dots on him too. Oh, there's this one down here. I forgot about this little guy. He's so cute down here. Okay, and some wings here too. Just some little guys for him. Some dots. Oh, can't forget the antenna on any of these guys. Okay. And then I just want to add a little bit of character to these here. Just like that. Maybe some there. Alright. Oh, and the last thing I want to add is just some little bee trails. There we go. How cute. Alright, and then whenever you finish a piece of artwork, just remember to sign your name at the bottom or actually you can sign it wherever you want. I like to sign mine at the bottom, so I'm going to sign it right here. There we go, and we are done with the piece. We have a couple of flowers, quite a few little bees. Leave a comment if you like this video, if you want more evening videos with some relaxing voiceovers, and if you want a tutorial on something different. What would you like a tutorial on? An animal, a certain flower? Let me know in the comments and I will add it to my list of videos to make. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. It's a new YouTube channel, so I don't have much yet, but I plan to post more videos like this and lots of tutorials. So hit the subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment for me letting me know what you think, and I hope you guys all have a lovely day or a really great night's sleep, whatever time it is that you're watching this video.